Welcome back to the lecture series of Python programming. In this session, I am going to discuss important keyboard shortcuts which can be used in Jupyter Notebook. So at the end of the session, you will be familiar in how to use important shortcut in Jupyter Notebook. So what you are supposed to do is, first of all, please open the Jupyter Notebook. Later on, you need to go to the option Help. Then please scroll down and you will be able to reach one more option called keyboard shortcuts. Kindly click on the keyboard shortcut. Otherwise, you can press the button H, then it will be directing you the keyboard shortcut. Correct? So please click on the keyboard shortcut which I mentioned over here. Soon after clicking keyboard shortcuts, you can see so many options. For example, how to run the particular program. I have already typed one program, how to run it. So there is one option called Shift plus Enter. I point out this particular option, which is quite familiar for us. Shift plus Enter, if you click on that, it is equivalent to run. Likewise, there are several options. For example, if I press F, find and replace. If I press Control plus Shift plus F means open the command palette. Like that, we have so many options. So if I click on Enter, then it moves on to the next line. Okay, so it enabled the editing mode. So like that, we have so many options. Apart from that, we have one more important feature that we can only form the shortcut. How? Yes, we have one option called edit keyboard shortcuts. First of all, go to Help. As soon as you open the Jupyter Notebook, then you'll be getting so many options like menu, file, edit, view, insert. In that, you have to go to Help. Later, we have one option called edit keyboard shortcut. You have to click on edit keyboard shortcut. Once you click on edit keyboard shortcut, you will be getting the options like this. Here, you can see so many plus sign, correct now? That means you can add, okay? You can add or you can remove. You have so many facility. So ultimately, once you edit it, you can click on OK. Then it will be updated. Later on, you have to close Jupyter Notebook once more. Again, you have to open. Then it will be updated the changes. So in this session, I have explained how to edit the keyboard shortcut, also how to use the keyboard shortcut. Let me know if you have any queries. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel.